Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe.
Hello love bugs, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. And we would also like to welcome all of our new love bugs to the channel. So today you all, we are going to be styling for the fall. We are here in the mudroom area and we need to refresh and spruce it up a little bit, give it more of a rustic feel for the fall. So sit back, relax, don't forget to grab you a drink and grab you a snack as well as I create the mudroom. So as you see here, this is the before of the mudroom, how we've had it for the summer months. And so now we're changing into fall. So I wanted to kind of give you guys an idea, if you have a mud room, how you can style it for the fall. So I appreciate each and every one of you for clicking on this video today. Please, if you don't mind, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also leave me some comments down below. If you would have done something different, let me know. If you would have chose different colors, let me know. Whatever your positive thoughts are, I would love to read them in the comment section. So you all, without further ado, let's get into styling this mud room for the fall.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a